Workies fam, welcome to my channel. My name is Mia and this is me Workies. Today's video is actually a little bit different from whatever we have. I just wanted to tell you guys that I opened the Discord channel, Discord server basically, for you guys to join, because I noticed that some of your messages, asking questions, needing reviews and stuff like that gets missed in comments or Instagram. I just wanted to create a Discord channel where you guys could ask your questions, anything you need, you could ask me that and I could send it over to Discord. I will go over the Discord channel and answer you guys every Sunday. So if you need any reviews, any questions, anything related to UI UX and your career and stuff like that, I would be able to answer that in Discord on Sundays. I'm not able to actually go on free sessions right now except the Superpeer ones, which I will link in the description. All I can do right now is like helping you guys through Discord. So just go ahead, join the channel. Again, the link is in the description. Let's talk and share ideas and stuff like that, and let's just make our community bigger and bigger and just help each other out in this beautiful channel that we have right now. So we've just hit 2k subscribers basically, and I'm super happy and thankful, and I thought this would be a great way of giving back, since a lot of your messages I see get lost in Instagram requests. So I just wanted to have some place like Discord, I don't know, Telegram, something like that, but Discord I choose to be able to like just give back for all of the things that you guys are doing for me. And yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. And yeah, next week we're gonna go back to our normal schedule, stuff. Make sure you send me some messages on Discord on any ideas or anything you want me to share on this channel. And I guess that will be pretty much it. I'm low on breath. I don't know why I'm excited. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.